Right, so here we have a perfectly working and beautifully looking Viewmaster film cutter for use with a personal camera from Viewmaster. What you do is you shoot the film in a camera and then cut it with this cutter. As you can see, the light is working fine. It's working on 220 volts right now. But it could be, it can work on 110 or 150 volts also. You just have to change the bulb. So let's see. This is how it looks. It looks fine. Both shoots are in there, so it's all complete. The handle is working nicely. This is where you put in the film and where you will test a piece of film. It's been cut before this film, but there's a little space left to cut, so we will just put in the film. Do this with one hand, real handy. Oh, that's great. So work with me here. I don't think it's in right. Right, it's in. See, it advances. No problem. Now let's try to cut. Show you that it works okay. 1, 2. There it is. And what you normally do is you give it a little push extra, and there it is. That's perfectly normal. You can tell. It's in there somewhere. Yes. You can tell that the cutter is sharp because the film is perfectly cut in the right shape. So this works fine. The other one, perfect shape. So that's how it works. Advance and cut. So so much for this great cutter. It's for sale on eBay.